Today I'm designing a brand identity for a furniture business. Hello guys, I'm Farza and I'm a brand designer. Welcome to Farz Design. This is the mood board I selected from Pinterest for this furniture brand. The first color you notice from this mood board is yellow, and I'm really into this color for today's design process. I want to go out of the box and add something different to make this brand stand out from others related businesses. For now, I choose these colors for this branding, but I may change it depending on the design process. I'm naming this brand Coco, and I will design two concepts for this brand. Guys, let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section. So for the first concept, I want to design a word mark. Here I'm designing a completely custom font. I used an ellipse and pen tool for letter K. And for the rest of the letters, I'm using shapes and pen tool. With the help of these lines, I am arranging the logo perfectly. Wordmark is very prevalent to be easily recognized by new audience. This is the first concept for this brand. I'm going to design an icon for the second concept. I'm using this shape as my guide for designing this logo concept. Well, I ended up designing 3 icons. So let's choose the one from these 3. This one seems a bit simple, so not this one. And from these 2, I find this one more modern and unique. So this is the one. Simple and unique icons are easy to remember for the audience. subscribe for more videos.